everybody, welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today? I don't even know. You just wanted to do that. Yeah. I'm putting that in there. Alright, so I'm gonna be screen recording my phone like usual, and I will show you guys what it looks like here. But today, I didn't even say what we're doing. So today we're doing what's on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I already filmed the unboxing video, obviously, so that's up on my channel if you want to check that out. And then I also did this for my iPad too, so I filmed the unboxing for my iPad, and I filmed what's on my iPad. Pretty much what's on my iPad is kind of the same thing, but what's on my phone, there's like a few different apps that are just for my iPad. So I'm not gonna go over like the same apps over and over again. If you want to see more apps that I have, just check out that video. I'm already parched. We just 5 minutes in. Alright, so yeah, that's my home screen. So when you open my phone, this is what it looks like. I just have the calendar widget. I made it big because I need to know the date and I need to know what day it is. So I have that, the first thing here. And then I try to put all my important apps on the first page, stuff that I need to use, or like stuff that's, I guess, important to me. I don't know. So I have my Google Calendar, my Gmail, I have all my photos, and then I got this app called Photo Cleaner, which is supposed to like see if you have duplicate photos. It's supposed to like pick out which pictures look the same so you can delete them. I still haven't done that, but yeah. So then I have home stuff. So I have the apps for like different lights that I have in the house. This one is for the light in my room, and I just set up a routine. I can't even show you guys because I'm not home, but I just set up a routine light schedule for like YouTube filming, and it connects to like my Alexus, so that's great. All right, so then I have Ring, security, I have the Alexa app, and things like that. Next thing I have is travel, so I use Waze and Maps, and then I have Lyft. I got rid of Uber, I don't know why. I barely use it because I do drive and I live upstate, so Waze is good because it has way more features, but it'd be like glitching out of nowhere. You can't have that. Next thing I have is resources, and here I just have, I don't know why I called it this, but I just have things that are like that come with the phone but that I use all the time. So like the App Store, files, I have Dropbox, shortcuts, and Widgetsmith and voice memos. And then I have my favorite app ever, which is Notion, and settings. And then on the sides here I have two like medium-sized widgets, and I have the time when the sun sets. I don't know, I just like to know, but even though I don't follow it clearly, as we see, I just like to know when the sun is gonna rise and set. And then I have the weather because you need to know the weather. This is just the overview of my phone. I try to keep it really simple. I didn't go crazy with all the like iOS 14 design because I did that for my iPad already, and that took forever. So I was just like, no, we're not doing that again. I just have the cute widgets on the side, and that's enough for me. So I just wanted to show you guys the shortcuts app real quick because I just found out about this thing called automation. Basically what it is you can set up your phone to do specific things just by like, let's say, okay, let me just show you what I have. When I wake up, when I press snooze on my alarm, I set it so that music will start playing, like my favorite songs or like chill music or whatever. I can keep pressing snooze until noon. So I set that up to help me wake up earlier. And then I have this thing, I just set this up today actually. 11 a.m. like I want to start like going on walks and stuff in the morning, or like some type of exercise because I need to exercise. So I set up a new routine, which I'm going to show you guys like my whole schedule and everything in another video. But around this time, that's when I want to start working out. So I have this automation where at like 11 a.m. it'll play like my workout playlist, or it'll pop up like my workout playlist will come up, and it'll open up the app for health on your phone, and I use that to track like my steps for the day and things like that. So it'll just be a reminder like, okay, I need to work out today, do something. Those are pretty nice. So I recommend setting that up on your phone. Alright, my clips are saved, thank God. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I have the Widgetsmith, which is how you create these widgets. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to do this now. This is my favorite app ever, which is Notion. I use it every single day. Also, when you slide to the left here, this thing comes up and you can set up widgets on here that are from different apps. So here I have Notion. So I just have my top pages that I use for Notion here. And then I just have the battery, clock, and then here is like a widget where you can change it. So I have pictures here, notes, and music, and then here I actually put like how much time I'm spending on things. I'm exposing myself. I be on this game for like an hour a day. I have this app called Flow, which I'll show you guys later on, but it's this app that tracks your periods. So I just have it as a widget here, so I can just whip it out real quick and know like when it's that time, and also track my mood because my mood is highly affected by my periods. So as you guys can see, it's that time of month. Moving on, I just have my Google Calendar also as a widget here too, so I can see what I have to do for the day. Alright, so moving on to the next page. I only have 3 pages because I like to keep things in folders. Even though it's not cute or aesthetically pleasing, I just like things to be organized. So I have everything in a folder. Here it is. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't take Instagram as seriously as I do YouTube. I don't know, it's just not my favorite app. But I will post here and there, but I'm not stressing about posting every day anymore. If I post, I post. If I don't, I don't, and that's that. And then I also have this app called Clubhouse. I don't really use it that much. My mom is obsessed with it and she told me to download it. But basically it's just like, I don't know how to explain this. It's like different groups that you can go on and like talk to people on various like topics. Okay, yeah, that app still confuses me and I get scared that I'm talking and they can hear me. Yeah, it's a pretty good app for connecting with people, networking and stuff like that. So then these are all my YouTube apps. So I have the YouTube Tracker app, YouTube Studio, and then I have Reward Style, which is like a influencer marketing thing. Like you can get affiliate links and work with brands through this app. As you know, you don't get monetized until you reach 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I just recently got on this, but this has been a way for me to actually monetize my work and monetize my content. So thank you everybody who shops through my links that I provide, because that helps out a lot in supporting my channel. Next thing I have is my Pinterest, another app. I love this app. Okay, definitely follow me on Pinterest, but these are some of my boards. I just went through and organized it. Next thing I have is music, SoundCloud, Spotify. I filmed a video, my chill playlist video. Still haven't edited it because I was like, these videos are more important for me to post first, but I still have that in the archives, so I might whip that out sometime soon. So stay tuned for that. I don't know when I'm posting that video, but just know it's filmed, okay? And then I have my podcast app. So these are some of my podcasts that I listen to. I'll just scroll through real quick so you guys can see. I love finding new podcasts, and these are some of my favorite ones. Next I have Audible, not sponsored. And then I have this widget in the middle where it's just a nice quote, and I try to separate my different pages into like categories because I'm crazy. So this page is like getting stuff done, so like social media stuff and just editing stuff, productivity stuff. So I put "you're doing great" just to make myself, you know, a motivational quote here. And then I have more music here, so iHeartRadio, Shazam. And these are some of my productivity apps. Basically all of them are Google. Then I have my notes and Asana. I have to clear that out because I use Notion now. So then this is all my stuff that I use to edit my pictures. I went through this like 3 times already, so I'm not about to do that again. Just so you guys can see, these are the different apps that I use. If you want more in depth, I filmed my what's on my iPad video and how I edit my Instagram pictures video, so check those out. And I'll probably update that sometime later on, but not right now. Next thing I have is Instagram planning. So I have Planoly. I haven't really been scheduling out posts like that, so but that's just there if I want to. Then I have the repost app, so if you want to repost somebody's thing. Unfold is like for stories. Again, don't really use that either. And then I have this, this is actually a website, but I made it into an app. And basically what this does is create like breaks or lines, spaces in between your Instagram captions, because Instagram doesn't do that. Basically you can just put websites as apps on your phone, which is nice. And then I have this reports app, and basically what this is like, it's like analytics for Instagram, and it tells you who you're following and who's following you. And I use that basically like to stalk people. No, I'm just kidding. And then I have this splits video app, which basically, apparently it splits your videos into like 15-second intervals, whatever type of interval you want it to be. Alright, then I have like this folder for like fonts and symbols and stuff like that. The Good Fonts app is alright. I don't really like it like that. Then I have music management, and this is just stuff for if you do make music, if you do record music. This is just good to have, like BMI and the Spotify for Artists app. I have the SoundCloud for Artists app. I don't have any albums out, I don't have any things out like that, but I am working on a project with a few other people. Ian's on it, my mom, dad, I think, and a few other dope artists. So and then after that I have the model management folder. So this is just anything pertaining to like modeling and different ways to get jobs. So there's the Backstage app, I have the Agent app, and this app here, which was a total waste of money. I actually paid for it. And then I have this random folder with just things to reach out to people, so like WhatsApp, Meetup, Skype, and Zoom. Alright, so coming on to the last page here, I have, this is kind of like my health page, my self-care page, things that I also didn't have no other place to put. So the first thing I have is, well, on the sides I have the moon phases because I love astronomy, I love astrology, everything that has to do with space. I love those things. And then I have another quote here which says, take care of yourself, which kind of is themed with my whole health page, I guess. Then I have these plants on the side because I love plants and I think it looks pretty. So the first thing I have is this app called Jor. Somebody told me how to say this and I still don't remember. Yeah, that's basically a journaling app. I think I explained this already. And I use that whenever I'm not near my notebook because I like to journal by hand and paper. But whenever I am away from my notebook, I'll use this app to journal in the morning. Then after that, I have my astrology folder. So I have my birth chart for tropical astrology and for sidereal astrology. I put everybody's like birth chart in here and I tell them about themselves. I'm that type of person. And then I have the Time Passages app, like daily horoscopes and things like that. But it's like way advanced. I wish it was a little bit more simple to read sometimes. So the next thing I have is self-help. And these are both actual like websites, but I made them into apps. But basically they're just journaling prompts. And the next folder is health. So I have all things pertaining to health. I have the period app again. But what I really like about this app is that it gives you insights, and like when your period is coming, it'll let you know. It'll tell you how your mood may be in different parts of your cycle. One time when my period was coming, like it sent like funny memes about your period, which I thought was so cute. So I really like this app and it's been really accurate for me. Then I have this other app here called MyFitnessPal. It's an app that if you're trying to lose weight or gain weight, it tracks calories and it tracks what you eat, and it lets you know what vitamins you need to be taking or what you need to be eating to reach this amount of vitamins and protein in a day. Then I have this other app called Fujicate. I haven't used these apps in so long. It allows you to basically scan food when you go shopping, and it'll tell you if the food is good for you or not, and it tells you what is in it. Then I have this other app which is basically the same thing as Fujicate, but it's for like products. It'll basically tell you if the product has bad harmful chemicals in it, because that also affects our health, not just what we eat. Alright, moving on, I have just my finance apps, which is kind of boring, investing apps, and my bank apps, cash app, if you want to send me some cash. Next, I have my shopping apps. So I have Rakuten, Retail Me Not, Yelp. I have the Starbucks app. And I don't know, I thought I had the Chick-fil-A app on here. I guess I deleted it. I don't have a Chick-fil-A next to me where I live, unfortunately. I have to go to Jersey just to get Chick-fil-A. I have the Target app, which is like my freaking favorite shopping app right now. I'm waiting for the day that Target sponsors me because I love Target. But what I do now is I just shop on the app, I get my points, and then what I do is just do the drive up thing. So I'll buy all my stuff and then I'll just pull up and they just give me my stuff and I leave. Avoid people and crowds. I'm here for it. And then I have the Starbucks app because you get points too. I'm almost done. Oh my god. Whew. I have the Money Moves apps, I call it that. So this is basically anything that makes me money or pertaining to like side hustles. So I have Grubhub. I haven't done it in a while, but I love it, I'm not gonna lie. At first, like I was not here for it, but you can make good money on there. And I just love the freedom to make my own schedule and do whatever I want. And it's so easy. If you need some extra money, I highly recommend doing that. Now it's like contactless, super easy way to make money. Then I have Macari, which is another way I make extra money too by selling stuff. Then I have user testing, I don't do that anymore. Etsy, I don't do Instacart. I have Fiverr and Poshmark, eBay, and Dabble. Half of these I don't use. Next thing I have is utilities, so just random apps that have to do with technology, my camera. And this is Genius Scan app that I used to use in college to like scan documents and stuff. Next thing I have is games. Not a lot of games, but way more than I normally would have. My favorite game right now is Toy Blast. I use that to calm myself down. I don't know why, it's so relaxing. And then I have Among Us. The last folder here is just random stuff that comes with the phone that I don't really use but may need to use one day, so I still keep it on my home screen. And then the bottom here, I just have my phone, Safari, messages, and of course YouTube. Like, duh, I'm on YouTube every day. That is it. Did I go through everything? The sun is set, y'all, if you couldn't tell. Oh, I just want to show you guys real quick, and this will be the last thing. My Pinterest, in case you guys wanted to create an aesthetic type of theme for your phone. If you want, I have this board called Aesthetic Pictures, and this is pretty much what I use for my screensavers. Like, if I need screensavers, I'll come to this. And then I also have iOS home screen aesthetic inspiration. If you want to copy somebody's design, I have some here. And that's pretty much it. Also, if you need icons, app icons, I made some. So if you want that, just DM me on Instagram. Give me like 2 days to answer back, but don't think I'm not ignoring you. I just don't be on Instagram as much. So, but DM me though, I will. If you ask me to send them to you, I will definitely do that. Definitely comment down below like what videos you guys want to see from me next. I do have some videos already recorded that I need to edit and post, so I'm gonna try to get those out first, but definitely let me know what you guys want to see. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like, or no, I'm just kidding, don't do that. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you do not miss when I upload. I will have the product links linked down below if you want to get the same case that I have. They also come in different colors. You can do that. I'll have it linked down below, and also different various iPhone related products linked. And I'll also list some of my favorite apps that I mentioned in this video down below so you can find them and know what they are. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.